Hey, what's going on today in YouTube land? I want to talk about denying that you're a corporation in court cases or any kind of legal actions, because you're automatically considered a corporation if you don't rebut it. So this little article I found explains it really well. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this. I do not consent to act on behalf of the Social Security trustee, federal employee, public officer, or benefit recipient who is the all capital version of my Christian name. I have revoked and renounced and rescinded any evidence and documentation in the possession of any government which might prove otherwise. The entity consisting of all capital version of my Christian name is not me. I have no nexus with that entity. The burden of proof of providing otherwise now rests upon you, the recipient of this notice. You have 30 days to provide evidence to the contrary or be found in default. The burden of proof under 26 U.S.C. 7491 only shifts to me if I am a taxpayer. I'm a non-taxpayer, which I declare under penalty of perjury that I am not. Therefore, the Constitution places the burden of proof back on the government as required by the Administrative Procedures Act 5 U.S.C. 556D. Imagine that. So then if you go down to the fraudulent conversion of a man or woman, a living soul, into an officer or a federal corporation is accomplished as documented by the federal and state rules of civil procedure. Imagine that. Particular reference herein is found in the Texas Rule of Civil Procedure 52, alleging a corporation. Rule 52 states, an allegation that a corporation is incorporated shall be taken as true unless denied by affidavit of the adverse party, his agent or attorney, whether such corporation is a public or private corporation and however created. So Texas Rule of Civil Procedure 52, you might want to look that up, because just about everything applies in every state, and you can look it up, and it's probably the same number or the approximate number in your state. In the case versus Galleria Bank versus Southwest Properties 498 SW2D, there is stipulations that the failure of an adverse party to deny under oath or allegation that he is incorporated with the necessary proof of the fact, it becomes part of the official record. That just says it all. So I wanted to get that out there to you today. That's a lot of what people are missing are the basic simple tools that are there, that are in the record. You just have to find them. So that's denying that you're a corporation. And if you don't deny you're a corporation, they can just move right on because you have an all capital name on your ID. And you got your ID and you have it in your pocket. Therefore, you're a corporation unless you deny it. And you've taken the necessary steps to not be a corporation, to turn into a live man or woman. That's what I have for you for today. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you soon.